Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome everyone, my name is Ria. I'm Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ria and I like cooking. So I decided to do this channel to, well, give the people what they want. Because I used to post my recipes on my WhatsApp statuses and stuff, and people were like, oh my gosh, why don't you just start a YouTube channel? So here I am. Oh my gosh, YouTube is so hard. There's so much editing, there's so much shooting. Anyway, I hope to grow in this journey and become a professional YouTuber. I hope. I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I don't have earrings. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna share my leek recipe. It's very yummy, a nice vegetarian alternative if you're vegetarian. Wait, it's not an alternative, it's a vegetarian dish, and it has a vegan alternative. You can replace the plain yogurt that I put in with coconut milk. So yeah, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and the bell notification so you don't miss my videos going forward. I hope you like my debut. So now we're gonna fry our potatoes. Make sure they're nice and crisp with our onions and our garlic. Gonna fry. Okay. Now we're gonna add our leeks. And we're gonna fry them until they are nice and soft. Sweat them with the onions and your potatoes. And now we add 1 tablespoon of your turmeric. Then we're gonna add half a tablespoon of the cumin. You mix that all together so that all your vegetables are nicely coated with the spices. Mix, mix, mix. And now we're gonna add our rehydrated chili flakes. Give it some heat. You can put a little bit more if you like it spicy, or less, or not at all if you don't want it spicy at all. Now I'm gonna put the lid on to sweat my leeks. Okay, I think they're nice and sweated. So I'm gonna add my coriander. And my tomato paste once I get it opened. And I'm gonna add half of that and gonna squeeze my lemon in, just the juice. Let me take that pip out. Then mix it together. And we're almost done with our curry. Gonna salt to taste. Mix, mix, mix. And we're gonna put hot water in, just so all the spices come together and you can have moisture. Moisture for what? Moisture so that your potatoes can cook fully cook. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy your leek curry. And until next week with me, Ria. Bye.